welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. So those, as you can tell by the title of this video, today we are doing a bold cut crease look. I found this look on Instagram. I will insert it somewhere in this video. Before we go any further, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. If you're not already subscribed, sis, then what is you doing? What is you doing? And welcome back to Makeup Monday. Yes. Y'all, we've been keeping up with these Makeup Mondays. I'm a little late today, but you know, better late than never. That's what I always been taught. Better late than never, never. Sis, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, the Jazzy Doll Gang. We would love to have you a part of the gang. I ain't gonna hold you too long in this intro because, baby, I'm fine. What? Yes. If you want to know how to achieve this beautiful cut crease, baby, then keep on watching. We're gonna just go ahead and get straight into it, honey. I already got my brows done and I've already set this area. So I'm gonna actually recreate a look that I saw on Instagram today. I'm actually gonna recreate this look right here. I found this look on Instagram and, you know, I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, just try to recreate it. So the palette that I'm going to use today is going to be the Mini James Charles palette. I think I used this last time too, if I'm not mistaken. And this is what the palette looks like, you guys. I can't bend this back, so I can just do it like that. So this is what it looks like. I'm pretty much going to use these pinks and purples, and I'm probably going to do this in the corner or this white right here. Probably the white. And then that yellow. So we can kind of stay close to what she did. On my first color I think I'm going to go in with is going to be this pink color right here. And then I'm going to darken it with this purple up under. Y'all, it's been a minute since I have did a bold look. Y'all already know your girl don't really be, she don't really be, you know, doing them bold looks, but we gonna try today. All we can do is try. So I'm actually gonna just tap this color in first. Like so, and just kind of go back and forth with it so I can make sure it's getting stamped up in there. Not bad, girl. So we're just gonna build this color up and layer it until it's popping exactly how we want it to pop. So I'm probably gonna put on quite a bit of this, y'all, because y'all already know, as some of you may or may not know, when you put color on, sometimes it can disappear. So we want to make sure we put enough on. So when we do start to build another color, this one doesn't go away, which it does tend to go away sometimes, but we want to try to prevent that from happening. And yes, I am aware, y'all gotta excuse my one little nail, y'all. I still have not went and got my nails done. Today really has been like a self-care day for me. But I didn't go to the nail salon, and it's getting later in the evening, so I'm not gonna go today either. Do it like it's your boo day, baby. And with this purple right here, baby, and just go right up under where I put that pink, or right on top of it rather, but not like all the way to the tip top, but like, you know, because we still want to see the pink. Do it like it's your birthday. Oh God. Y'all see how that's starting to blend? Like, how it's just starting to blend? Like, I gotta give it to James Charles. Like, this palette is really good. Like, the colors in here, they mesh very, very well together. Very well. Blend out those corners a little bit. I think I need to add some color to do that. Now I'm gonna go at the very top with this light pink, just to kind of mute it and kind of just like create that gradient. Okay, so you see how we just kind of made it like not so harsh. So now I'm just gonna take my P. Louise base in the shade number 2 to sculpt out my cut crease. I'm gonna use a really thin flat brush to carve out my cut crease. I usually start in the corner, but I'm going to go ahead and cut it in the middle, because this will kind of help me figure out how high I want it and how I want to shape it. So let's start up here. I cut that crease good. Once you get your crease cut like this, you want to go ahead and tap, just take a clean brush and just kind of tap on top of it to get rid of any of that extra base, so it doesn't become like creasy or just too wet before you put that eyeshadow on. Girl, we cut that crease. So now I'm going to use this Morphe M167 brush to pack this eyeshadow on. I'm going to go in the corner with the white out of the James Charles mini palette. I'm just going to tap. Oh boy, every time the air come on, Bobby thinking it's the wind out the door. Ida, is that you? Come in here blowing nobody away now. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in. I think I'm gonna go in with this yellow, but it just, let me see. Let me do a little swatch. Yeah, we're gonna go in with that one because this one look closer to what she actually used. Maybe. I mean, let's see how this one look. Yeah, we need that. That other yellow was sweet. He want my number, had to hit him with the I dipped this brush in that purple. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this crease and do this eye. I'm gonna add the purple at the end.